from blending the eyeshadows to perfecting that skin to that no filter glow and that beautiful inner corner highlight. Welcome to the Beauty Palette by Angelica. So my camera died out in between when I was shooting the look, but thankfully it ended after I finished my full eye makeup look, which was the most important part.
I want to go for something more pink, like pinky tops, something glossy, because I feel like it looks nice. Or no, I don't know. I'm always confused with lipstick. I need to look in the camera. Okay, so I don't want to talk. I need a small mirror though. Yeah, it's so dirty. Oh my god, I cannot even see my face. Wipe it down. By the way, I didn't wipe my camera. That's why it's not that clear. Okay. Oh. Okay, anyway. So if you don't wanna stop it, Michelle.
Okay, looks nice. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed the video, and if you like these kind of videos, please let me know. I would love to do it. I'm still getting the hang of shooting like proper close-ups, so bear with me. And yeah, that's about it. See you guys in the next video.